Hey guys, it's Annie and it's that time again. I'm doing another clean with me video because it's a struggle. It's a struggle. As much as my life has improved over the last few years, if you are one of my subscribers, you know the details. One thing that's always been a difficult thing for me is organization and keeping things tidy. If you show me a system, I can follow it, but it's hard for me to like come up with an organizational cleaning system. And this is just something, no offense to my parents, but this is just something I was never really taught. So it's something that I still struggle with. Can you relate? Are you someone who struggles with keeping things tidy? If you are one of those people, or you just like cleaning videos, hit the thumbs up button. Oh, also please leave in the comments, what is your philosophy or your experience with being tidy or cleaning? Like, are you naturally tidy? Are you not? Do you love cleaning? Do you hate it? I am someone who personally does not enjoy it so much, clearly. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is just like take all the things off of this and then clean out my fridge. And then, you know, organize the stuff on this table. So let's do it. So I know Method is already supposed to be like relatively quote unquote healthy, but the cleaner in here is actually from an eco-friendly shop where it's like refillable, and I just put it in this container. So this is completely non-toxic. So we're spraying her down. Speaking of eco-friendly, I've stocked up on dish rags. This is fresh out of the dryer, but I do still use paper towels a bit, but I use these a lot more, so it's cut back on a lot of paper towel waste. So little fun fact tip for you. Okay guys, I don't know if this is the best situation ever, but with a little rearranging and, you know, organization, I think we have a better system. It looks a lot more empty. I didn't feel like I threw that much out though, but done with the inside of the fridge.
I'm tired of fading.
the most part. Like I still have to do floors and some minor details, but this took like 3+ hours for half of a studio apartment. Did I mention I am the world's slowest cleaner? Another reason that I don't like to clean, and it doesn't help that it takes a lot longer when I film. So my goal is to finish the rest of the apartment, including floors, in 2 more hours. This is why I need to hire someone. Like an actual cleaner could do this in like an hour and a half, 2 hours, maybe 3. Not me, not me. But we're getting somewhere, and now it's time to clean my bedroom nook. Sorry, Louise, you have to get out of the clean clothes. Who else has a cat that if there's clean clothes, she's just like up in them? Because this is why my clothes are always covered in cat hair. Are you so pretty? Oh, a sleepy girl. Sorry, I'm gonna make you move now, okay?
Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Okay, closer look. It's not super great, but it's better, right? We're functioning at least. Right, Liu? Oh. Coming together. So next, before we get to the floors are the last task, but before that, gotta take care of the dishes situation. Empty this, load these, and then floors, and then we're done. But it's already feeling so much better in here. Oh my gosh. after. Let's take a look at the before. And now we have the after.